It's a day in the life of a budgeter. And guys, if you're easily offended by watching people spending their own hard-earned money, then this video is definitely not for you. So today I'm dragging my raggedy self out to do a bit of car business. If you follow me on Instagram, you maybe remember this situation. I literally had to get it towed to my garage, guys, because my car was giving me major trouble. So here I am digging out the car maintenance envelope. Luckily, I have this envelope, guys. That's all I can say. This is top priority if you are a car owner. Make sure you have money put to one side for car problems, car issues, car maintenance, all of that jazz. So yeah, mine's totally empty now because the bill came to a whopping £280, guys. I had to zoom in to double check. I thought it was a free at first. So here we are on our way out again, and before you knew it, crash, bang, wallop, we're back in the same situation again. My brother had to come and rescue us off the motorway because a tyre blew out. So here I am the next day getting the tyre sorted, and another bill for £200 for 2 new tyres. At this point I was so depressed I didn't know whether to laugh or cry, and being the lazy dusty girl that I am, I thought I might as well wash my car. But the thought of spending another £20 on this car today just caused me dread, so I decided to use the garage car wash. Big mistake, but that's another story, that's another day, guys. More of the story, make sure you have a car maintenance envelope, make sure there's money in there all times, because nobody wants to be a sad gal in a car wash crying in their car. But anyway, guys, I hope your day was better than mine. What did you do today?